Hi, I'm Jordan. I was very competitive in jump rope and I love to dance. I make all kinds of tutorials for you to learn everything I am passionate about so you can be great. I created my dream business as a fitness professional. Follow me through my travels of life and fitness.
Hi guys, it's Jumping Jordan. So people always ask me how long their jump rope should be compared to their height. How I explain to people beginning to jump rope how to size it to themselves is when you step on the rope with both feet, the rope should come about to your armpits. I like my rope a little bit shorter because I've been jump roping for about 15 years and I like to go fast, and having a shorter rope helps me with that. But if you're just starting out, then if you step on the rope, it should come out about to right here. If you have the rope way too long, it's going to be way over your head, and instead of keeping your arms to the side, which they should be right here, your arms are going to want to come out, and it's going to make it harder to do any type of tricks. Whichever rope you choose to work with, whether it's a licorice plastic rope or a beaded rope like this one, I recommend the same process to sizing a rope, which is about your armpits. So you see my rope comes to about right here, but when I jump, I keep my arms pretty close to my sides. You can see that the rope over my head is not too long or too short. But if I were to put my arms out further apart, then the rope would be too short. So it just depends on where you want to keep your arms. But the best way to keep your arms is right next to your side, having your elbows pretty much touching your sides right here close to you, because that's easier to do any type of tricks. Whether you want to cross, do a side swing, having your arms right here is easier to get really into anything. I hope this video helped you guys, and if you guys want to learn how to do some of the tricks that I demonstrated in this video, watch my jump rope trick tutorials. I break it down and make it simple so you guys can learn it step by step. So please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video.